back to my channel. You are speaking to Tshia for those of you who do not know me. I am currently exhausted, you guys. It's late at night. Guys, you know when they say when it rains it pours? Get exhausted. Like, I'm so exhausted. I'm sorry, I keep on looking that side because I'm watching Isizokuthola Kumoja Love. Yo, my machine broke. My machine actually is not working. My washing machine is not working. I have not done my laundry. Tshia won't be able to go to school tomorrow because all his clothes, like literally all his clothes, are dirty. Like the warmest clothes that he has that he uses to go to crèche, they're dirty. And update of the house, we haven't done much. As I'm packing my laundry, you did see the background of the TV. The TV stand is still not up. Having trouble with the guy who's supposed to come install it. Therefore, it's such things that exhaust me. Like even the guy that was doing my kitchen, he has not come back to do the touch-ups that he's supposed to do. And I was hoping that this month I'll finish off everything, but unfortunately it seems as if I won't, because now I also still need to look for the stone that needs to go behind the TV unit that we're going to install. So I need to go get a quote for that stone. So I'm sorry guys, you're on a tripod, my hand tripod, and I'm getting exhausted carrying it. Yeah, so that's the update of the house. I still need to finish the kitchen off, a little bit of touch-ups that I'm not happy with, and then I still need to buy hinges and handles, and then I also need to buy the wall, the stone that is supposed to go at this wall. Let me just turn around so I can show you. You see that background? It's still the old background that we had. So the stone is going to go over there. That's the stone I need to buy. And then after installing the stone, then we're going to have the TV mounted onto the stone, which is kind of much better, reasonable, and cheaper. Oh, and behind there, I also still need to add another coat of a glamour coat, because the guy that was doing the glamour coat for us couldn't manage to actually first cover the lines that you're seeing there at the corner. He was supposed to cover them up, but he didn't. So it's costing me additional money for me to buy another glamour coat of the same color and actually try to cover up those lines. I won't be able to do that now. I'm going to continue and find something that I'm going to cover up as temporary measure. For instance, it could be a frame or whatever the case might be. I need to do that until I actually, look you guys, I've got white hair, and until I get another bucket of a glamour coat that will cover that space up. So yeah, that's what I need to do. And I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna get decorative frames or whatever it is that I can get, or a big mirror that a big mirror maybe at home or wherever, that I'm gonna get to cover it up. TVA. Yeah, that's because it's making so much noise. So yeah, I'm busy packing now. I'm busy packing the laundry that I'm going to take to the dry cleaners. There's a dry cleaner I know that does laundry for like 45 rand. Yeah, for like 45, if I'm not mistaken, 45 or 75 rand. I'll put the picture there, the prices on the side here. So it's like 45 or 75 rand for wash, dry, and iron. So I'm gonna take it there until we sort out the machine issue. Hasinto ke machine, hase mochini ke bana, ha ise bana ke komsebetsing. Guys, when you see me, give me a hug. Diagoa, diagoa. You it's just too much. Nje, the day I find myself not having so much to worry about in terms of house, school, and kids, I think I'll gain weight. But yeah, you guys, like I said, I just wanted to give you that update. I'm going to continue packing this laundry into that laundry basket, and then prepare for Monday. I'll catch up with you. I'm not sure when. Whenever I can vlog, I'll just vlog what I can, and I'll just upload this vlog for you guys to watch. So Galikoba, I need all the coins, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Night.
We stand by the fire, your tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground. You rest on my shoulder. The stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. The night fades like a whispered song as time rushes on. Oh, it won't be long, fading now into a memory, a picture on the wall, a moment frozen not to fall. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I go by the name of Tshia for those of you who don't know me, and to my day ones, my returning subscribers that are constantly coming to this page and visiting me, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you so much. I know, okay, subscription has been done, but anyway, you guys, thank you so much for coming back, and thank you for showing love and supporting me and rooting for me to continue with this channel. All right, quick update. I'm at work. I'm supposed to be working from home today, but I couldn't because my washing machine broke. Yes, and it pushed me to actually come to work so that I can go past one of the laundry companies and actually do my laundry in the morning and then drive to work. Anyways, my husband is on sick leave, and I needed to take the kids to school, so there was no way that I could actually work from home. So that's why I'm here. So I did my laundry, and I drove straight to work, and I started doing my job. I was working there, but I couldn't work on critical projects that I needed to pay attention on because it was very noisy. Those machines are freaking loud. So I had to just do my admin there, and then when I got to work, then do my investigations and do my documents, draft it and send it to all my clients. So that's what I've done. I'm kind of behind because how can I show you, because I really don't want to show people's names. on my email, but I've got 202 emails that I haven't read. I had 272 in the morning when I came in, and I'm on 202 now, which is good. So I'm hoping that I can at least minimize the number to 50 if possible, but I'm also planning to leave at now. I was actually supposed to leave. It's 3 o'clock now, and my son looks off at 4, if not 5, but I'm still safe with the time. But I just wanted to also rush now so that I don't get stuck in traffic. So I think I'm gonna leave at exactly 4 o'clock. I haven't eaten my lunch, so I thought let me do this intro before I actually go take a mini break and do and warm up my lunch. I did buy something at Checkers in the morning that I'm going to warm up now with you and eat. So come along, you guys, and please watch till the end. I'm gonna take you with now. Let me just drink my water quickly, and then we're going to go to the kitchen to first we're gonna go to the car to go fetch the food, then go to the kitchen to go warm it up. I do also have leftovers that I need to finish, so I think I'm gonna start with this. And I have a cute muffin that I still want to have with tea, but I don't know if I'm going to have it. I'm not sure if I'm going to have it. I'm not sure if I'm going to have it today, so I'm gonna put it aside here because I'd love to have it with coffee. But I'm eating now. I'm eating my lunch, and I'm going to go to the vending machine to get myself a drink. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna have coffee, but we'll see. Yeah, seven son. Yes. That whack. You're not giving me anything. Whack. Give me a screen. All of them.
The old one.
Ah. That small mini one. That small and yellow one. So that's.
There's even a smaller one if you want.
No, that's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah? Why? Because you're right, you're scrapping them off.
No, I'm not.
You're not? So what do you do with them when they're old?
When they're old,
Because you don't even sell it to employees anymore. Ngizobuza i-O yami umakho. Ah, mamela isikhokho sami lesiya. Leya, mamela ipoza yami. Let's go, you guys. Oh, where's my food? Hey guys, that's the laundry that I've done. I wish there's no washing line today. Ngabe sengiyinekile. Yabona. Ngabe sengiyinekile. Ah, here's my la sekajaka khona uyobathi ngicela sihlanganeni fast
ngizothi mina fast andizange ukuba uma wakho mina. No, angazi. I think it's
guys.
Put in your seatbelt, I'm watching you. Thanks, where's the other one? Okay, good morning guys, good morning. Welcome back to this channel. Welcome back to the weekly vlog. To all my day ones, hi you guys, thank you so much for your support and for coming back to this channel and continuously supporting me and showing me so much love. Appreciate it. To my returning subscribers, you are my day ones now as well, so listen, I think I have mentioned you in this intro when I say day ones, because you're my day ones. And to the new watchers that haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe, please show me love, please comment and let me know how you feel about my weekly vlogs, my daily vlogs, and all other vlogs that I do for you guys. It is a de-stressor for me to do this. I am enjoying it. It takes me off from the edge of being a mom, being a wife, responsibilities, and having to handle and run a household and keep it together and build a warm home, and at the very same time be a professional in my current career, be permanently dedicated, and being permanently dedicated and also being a student. It is hectic, it is very hard. I don't know sometimes how I do it. Sometimes I feel so overwhelmed that I literally feel as though I am going crazy. I feel as though I am literally sometimes going crazy or out of my mind or can't make any decisions, because I just feel that I am mind boggled with all the work that I need to do and having to do the work that I currently do is very intense, especially when I also have to study, because it requires a lot of brainstorming, if I may put it, investigation thinking, analytic thinking, technical thinking. So it's really hard, you guys. I've put you here behind my steering wheel because my tripod is broken. The car tripod that I purchased is broken, and it no longer sticks as much as I wanted to. Oh, McDonald's in the morning. You can't eat all McDonald's in the morning. You're going to have porridge at school. Porridge at school, yes.
But teacher said the porridge is finished. I need to buy it.
It's not finished, my baba. Teacher's gonna give you, when I get there, I'm gonna ask teacher to give you, okay? So yeah, guys, like I was saying, yeah, it's a lot, but nonetheless, we are keeping our eyes on the prize because we're already committed. We've already began, guys. I just believe just keep your eyes on the prize. And I actually fairly feel that if, like, manje lo muntu abantu bayadrive yazi inonsense nje. Hey guys, it's getting warmer these days. Hey, I can see this lady passing emarobotsini lana wearing a heel, no stockings, short skirt. Spring is knocking, so it's getting warmer because people are wearing skirt, no tights. Even yesterday I noticed. A lady wearing shorts, and I was like, well, I still feel cold, so if you're wearing your summer clothes already, wow, I still feel cold. That's why today I've got my tracksuits on. Yeah, guys, like I was telling you, like, yeah, so that's where we are. That's where we are. Nothing makes sense at the moment. You see, as much as I'm rambling like I am now, I feel like it can sense, but I really like what I've noticed is that if things are like this, they don't make sense. But I am making sense of the priorities that I have listed on my 5-year plan list. Never been the kind of girl that just becomes comfortable and relaxed and allow life to be. Once I've graduated and I have my degree, then I know that that's one of my goals, where I will start settling down. And secondly, when I've moved to the apartment, not even an apartment, when I've moved to my dream home, that's where I will then let my guard, not even let my guard down, but just calm down a little. I'm not the type of person that likes to let my guard down, because I feel as though that's when I relax a lot and not concentrate or do what I plan on doing. So I won't let my guard down. Things is continue working as hard as I am now, and once I've ticked off those bigger dreams or bigger goals on my list, then I think I'll calm down a little, because I'm a type of woman that I believe in life. You just need to, I know you guys know that you need to set goals, but I just feel that you can't let your guard down. I think you get what I'm saying. But anyways, you guys, this morning is a different morning. And why am I saying this? It's because my son, my eldest, Stuguma school holiday, okay, you guys. My eldest Stuguma school holidays left home with Titi. My eldest, I think I'm not gonna use the highway today because James is not here. I think I'm going to use the back route because it's late for the highway now. Traffic is going to kill us, so the back route is much better because not a lot of people use it. And again, it's just me and Titi because James is enjoying his mid-term break. So like now there's traffic now, and I can imagine how the highway looks, so we're gonna use the back route. So today it's just me and Titi. We're driving to school and work. I think I'll speak to you guys in the afternoon once I've picked up Titi. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog thus far. I will chat to you again later. Now, Titi, tell mommy, why did you not finish your lunch?
But the ones are on McDonald's because I didn't want McDonald's.
Why do you want all McDonald's in your lunch for school?
But we don't have McDonald's for lunch for school now. Now is so you can take lunch at school for McDonald's and Happy Meal for work.
So how do you know that Rian had Happy Meal in his lunch? Did you see the burger?
Yes, it's the burger and the chip and the toy.
Oh, so they put the burger and the chip and the toy in his lunch?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
So must I ask Tshia about this?
Yes.
To say that, can we put all McDonald's for lunch?
Just to try to have a McDonald's.
Is that the reason why you didn't finish your lunch?
Yeah, because...
Are you not hungry now because you didn't finish your lunch?
But I don't want to eat a McDonald's because now I don't eat food.
Okay. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it's in the afternoon. It's evening already. It's 7:30. Sorry, 17:30, and I just fetched this little guy from Critch.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So we just wanted to give you an update that we got to school safely, and we're heading home now. I might pass by my parents' house, and then from there we are going home for me to study. We're going home so that I can study. There's just a lot. I need to get home, finish my induction because I'm busy with an induction, guys. I started school already and it's second term. So I started at a very dodgy time. For me, it's very dodgy because it's better, you know, when you're prepared and it's the beginning of the year and you know that, okay, you've reset and you know that you're going to have overload of work on top of what you currently have. I've been procrastinating for a while now, and I feel it's time to actually do what needs to be done. I don't have my tripod with me. I do have it, but I haven't set it up because it keeps on falling each time I drive or each time I go over a hump. Therefore, I am just using my hand, and I'm exhausted. I'm tired now. So come with us, you guys. Let's go home. I'm just gonna sit you up here, and we're gonna drive together. We're gonna drive together and go home. I hope your day was good. My day is never good, guys. You know, dealing with... Oops. Yeah. Where's your seatbelt? Can you please put on your seatbelt?
Mama, can we sing song?
Okay, we're gonna put song. Is it?
Yeah, when it's here and I made it, and I won't get it done for GTA.
Okay, my dear.
I'm glad I'm for GTA for playing. And when it's that you from shoot everybody and who can die with GTA with finger.
Alright, my dear. Guys, I'm telling you, let's see my McDonald's drink the week. See, it's a tip, Malema Old McDonald's. Yeah, you all McDonald's, Pella. According to Titswam, you all McDonald's, guys. So, yes. And a lot enough cliff, you all McDonald's, Tshia, let him over if always. That's not McDonald's, guys, from Danam. We found all McDonald's.
Mommy, what's a McDonald's?
You said you're not gonna eat your own McDonald's. Are you going to eat it now or are you going to keep it for school tomorrow?
I can keep it at school tomorrow.
Then can I have one Happy Meal for a boy with an apple juice, just small apple juice in a box. Yeah, if I know. But no boy, so it's just the standard now. Okay, thank you. No worries, that was a good catch. Thanks.
Wow.
So teacher now said, oh no all McDonald's all of a Sunday. Yeah, guys. That's so now teacher said you mustn't bring all McDonald's.
Okay. The teacher said no bringing McDonald's.
Hi bo, nang tanang dala. Guys, nang tanang dala Suzanne. Hi guys, nang tanang dala Suzanne. All of a Sunday, seyisukile ke manje. Ubhuti ngumtshela ukuthi okay ngizomtholela iMcDonald's ayikhere kusasa. Hayi, sekathi manje uMistress akasavumanga akavumi ukuthi iMcDonald's ikhere esikolweni. All of a sudden you can't eat McDonald's at school. Hi bo. Now he wants to eat it now. Hey, I forgot about that. Auntie, why ngihlukumezeka kangaka? Yeah?
Mommy.
Tell me your abuser.
Mommy. Yeah? And then have Mommy Happy Meal.
Take. So I bought him a fold over, and I guess it's his favorite. Anyways. So at least one also eat like that, because he didn't eat his lunch. He is obviously hungry, but he'll never say no to this. Guys, I don't know if I'm going to vlog when I get home, but like I told you, I'm going to get home and study. At least I'm having my supper now, so I'm going to get home, bath, tea, and start studying. And I think I'll chat to you when I have time. It is a weekly vlog, so we're still gonna see each other. I'll see you on the flip side.